Well, hey everyone, today we are I'm about to use the bandsaw, and as you can see here, my table is just rusted. It's not like, it's not severe, it's just some surface rust on there, but we still got to get it off. And it sits out here in my carport, not in the weather, but in the humidity, and this table just rusts because it's not a painted surface. Anyway, what I've done is I've let this sit with some WD-40 on it, coated it really well in that. I've been letting it sit for about 3 or 4 minutes. And then I'm just gonna grab an old piece of sandpaper. This is some 150 grit. I'm gonna go over that, and then I'm gonna go back over it with some superfine sandpaper just to help, smooth it out really well. And then when we're done, we'll just wipe it all off, and it should be good as new, ready to go. And that WD-40 will give it a little protective coating to help it keep from rusting again so fast. Anyway, let's go ahead and do this. This is a really quick, cheap way using stuff that I've just got lying around the shop, and should be really easy. Let's do it though, and see how it turns out. All right, that was it. That took me about like 5 minutes and didn't cost a penny. A lot of people use steel wool instead of sandpaper. I do too sometimes. I just happen to have some old sandpaper handy, and it works just as well. After this, if you really want to slick up the table, you can take some paste wax or even just some turtle wax or car wax and wax up the steel table and polish that off and make it slick as a button. But it's good to go right now. So that was it. Hope that helps. If you got some rust on your tools, yeah, it's real easy to get off with some old sandpaper and some WD-40. Thanks. See you soon.